Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to fix Roblox no longer support Windows 7 and 8.1. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, before diving into the solutions, here's something you need to know. As of January 15, 2025, Roblox officially ended support for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. This means that these operating systems will no longer receive updates or support to run Roblox. Users with Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 will encounter errors like error code 280 when trying to play Roblox. This occurs because Roblox will no longer function properly on those systems. Why did this happen? Microsoft support ended. Microsoft ended support for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 earlier. Windows 7 officially reached end of life on January 14, 2020, and Windows 8.1 followed suit. This means that Microsoft no longer provides security patches or updates for these versions. Roblox needs newer technology. As technology evolves, new features, security updates, and optimizations are introduced that older operating systems can't fully support. Roblox requires these newer capabilities for better performance, security, and stability. Since Windows 7 and 8.1 can't keep up with these changes, Roblox decided to stop supporting them. While Roblox ended support for Windows 7 and 8.1, but here's something what you can do. These are some legit ways by which you can play Roblox on Windows 7 and 8. Just open your browser, go on the search bar and type here now.gg. Go on this website, play online games for free, now.gg mobile cloud. Go on the search bar, type Roblox. As you can see, just click on play in browser. Now as you can see, you have to pay for this in order to play. Another solution is go again on your browser, type on the search bar up to down LD player 4. Press enter. Go on the first website up to down LD player 4. Download this emulator and sign in with your account. Go on Play Store and just download Roblox from there, and you can play Roblox by using this emulator. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.